Ben, Dina, officials are now sounding the alarm to wear higher quality face masks as COVID cases are at the highest level ever reported, and kids under the age of 4 who cannot get vaccines yet are being hospitalized more than we've seen.
Most people are going to get COVID. All right, and what we need to do is make sure the hospitals can still function.
As cases surge and hospitals fill, many people who considered themselves very cautious are now finding themselves sick. Part of the problem, officials say, is that cloth masks no longer provide adequate protection from the highly contagious Omicron variant.
By 5 days after your symptoms, if you're feeling better, if your fever is better, if your cough and sore throat are better, then on day 6 you can go out, but you have to wear a mask. You have to wear a mask reliably, and you should not go to places you can't wear a mask. You probably shouldn't go and visit grandma. You shouldn't get on an airplane.
Droplets can still make it through large pores of fabric, so experts now recommend wearing a tight-fitting mask with better filtration like an N95, a KN95, or a KF94. The only difference being where each is made, the U.S., China, or Korea.
We continue to invest in rapid over-the-counter tests, which are in high demand.
This morning, City of Chicago officials distributed 1.5 million masks to aldermanic offices. They say the goal is to make sure KN95 masks are available to people living in every community. The Chicago Department of Public Health says they see most cases of COVID happening now when people let their guards down. Part of the agreement between Chicago Public Schools and the Teachers Union was to make N95 masks available to all students and teachers, though Dr. Allison Arwady said she wasn't convinced children really need them.
If you are sick, even a little bit sick, stay home. More true than ever right now, because sick, even a little bit sick, until proven otherwise with a test, is COVID.
So you can still wear a cloth mask on top of a medical mask. In order to clean an N95, you just have to put it in a paper bag for a few days. They say that's enough time to let any germs wear off. Today, the CDC said people who are unvaccinated are 17 times more likely to be hospitalized and 20 times more likely to die. Ben, Dina.